Hello guys, welcome. So in this video we will see how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows system. Let's open Chrome. The Chrome type VS Code and click on the first link. So here you can find the exe file downloadable link. Click on this button and the Visual Studio Code will start downloading. Okay, done. Now VS Code get downloaded. Let's open the file manager and you can see that exe file which is set up which can be used for installing. So let's right click on this file and click open. Now let's click on this I accept the agreement and click next. So it will defaultly take the app data location to install the application. Let's leave it default. Click next and let's create okay, let's create a start menu in the folder. It's not a problem. Let's click on the next and create a desktop icon. I'm just checking this box for creating the icon in the desktop and click next. Again click on the install. Now VS Code is getting installed. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, done. Now the setup is get installed. Let's click on the finish. So it automatically open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, now the VS Code is get opened. So you can use this Visual Studio Code for doing the projects. So already I have opened some projects. So that's why it's showing in the left side. So that's it. Thank you.